Good morning, it's Thursday the 19th of May and this is your daily outlook. The euro edged higher today, supported by a rise in world equities and commodity prices. The single currency broke above the 143 level against the dollar, jumping as high as 143.06 from 141.94, but remains vulnerable to Greece's debt crisis. EU finance ministers failed to decide how to tackle Greece's debt crisis, while opinions over how to pull Greece from its debt problems vary. ECB members Jürgen Stark and Constancio said that a Greek debt restructuring is not the solution for Greece's debt problems, while Beni Smaghi argues that Greece is in the middle of touch consolidation measures and an Argentine-style default. ECB President Jean-Claude Trichet is due to speak today at 1300 GMT. The US dollar got a modest boost after the release of the FOMC policy meeting minutes. The meeting minutes showed discussion of different exit strategies, but there was no indication whether the Federal Reserve is ready to start normalising its monetary policy. Interest rates are kept at ultra-low levels as housing data and retail sales continue to be weak. Against the Swiss franc, the greenback fell to 0.8765 from 0.8843. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar rallied to a three-week high at 81.80 from 80.93. Gross domestic product revealed that Japan's economy shrank by 0.9% in the first quarter, following the massive earthquake and tsunami that hit the country in March. The Australian dollar rose to 106.80 against the dollar from 105.68, supported by a heightened risk appetite and rising commodities. Sterling plummeted yesterday following the Bank of England policy meeting minutes. The vote split between the 9 MPC members remained unchanged, with 3 of the members voting for an interest rate hike. The minutes revealed policymakers' concerns over the country's economy and fears that monetary tightening at this point may prove to be disastrous. Higher inflation and slow growth is a situation that can push the country into a state of stagflation. The dovish minutes knocked the British pound as low as 161.05 versus the dollar from 162.88. Oil prices ticked higher, rising to $100.95 a barrel from $97.25. Gold also rose to $1,499.89 an ounce from $1,488.17. And silver edged higher at $35.71 an ounce from $33.99. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 142.05 with a preference to enter into long positions at 142.15. The dollar yen pivot point is at 81.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 81.40. Today's calendar of market movers: UK retail sales in April is forecast to gain 0.8% and US initial jobless claims is forecast to fall to 420,000. Not onto equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday, with the SP 500 up 0.88% and the Dow was up 0.65%. European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE up 1.07%, the DAX was up 0.65% and the CAC was up 0.92%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.42% and the Hang Seng was up 0.77%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.